All right, guys, got a Honda Pilot here, 2003, all the way to 2007 is the same. If your AC compressor does not work down there, you might want to check your AC pressure. But very common, this magnetic clutch here for the AC compressor will give up over time, so you want to check that. You can also test by jumping. Sometimes there's no pressure in the system. You could jump the wire. So pretty much what you do is you take this guy off and you just probe the two pins together, and that should bypass the system. If your compressor comes on, that means your compressor is good. If it doesn't come on, it could be a bad compressor, but most likely a relay, even if you jump it, a relay would be an issue. So what you do is you open this up, open up this fuse box, and this is your relay right here. Okay, so sometimes you can put the AC on and tap on it, or you could just take your cooling fan relay and just swap them. Just do a test. If the AC compressor comes on, AC is cold, you swap them back, because you don't want your AC fan, the radiator fans, not to work. That will overheat everything. Anyways, you also have a horn relay over here. This is your horn relay. You take this and you can swap it with that. But other than that, there's not much you could check. And there's a fuse over here, this 7.5 amp fuse right there. That's also for the, it works with this relay for the AC compressor, magnetic clutch relay. So, but you gotta check them both, okay? If you don't check them both, you will not know what's the issue. You do have a fuse pillar over here. You put this baby right on and you pull the fuse with that. And I put on another fuse, so just a small little talk. It can save you a couple of $100, so you don't change your compressor. A lot of mechanics will change your compressor, so start with that. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I help you guys out to figure out your AC relay for this Honda Pilot 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, same procedure. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching.